Mobile learning refers to training that provides trainees with anytime and anywhere access to their instructional resources or to the entire training program. This method is different from e-learning because trainees can use a wider variety of devices to access training, such as computers, smartphones, tablets, or wearables like Google Glasses. Mobile learning can involve both formal and informal learning. Formal learning occurs through e-learning courses, podcasts, videos. Informal learning occurs through communication with other people via email, social media, the company's intranet, or some other online medium. Some companies even have entire apps designed just for mobile learning. Like the previous two methods, mobile learning is useful for trainees who are at various physical locations. They can access training while traveling or talking with a customer. It also provides a great deal of control for them, as they can access it at any time using technology of their choice, and they can learn at their own pace. This method can supplement classroom instruction by providing additional resources online. It can also facilitate transfer by reinforcing content and prompting self-management. Some mobile learning technology allows trainees to create content and share it with others, much like Canvas allows us to capture videos and share them with the class through discussions. Unfortunately, some content is not easily displayed on a small screen. Mobile learning can also be intimidating to some people, especially those who are not confident in their ability to use it or learn from it. Because trainees can be anywhere, this method is especially susceptible to interruptions and distractions, which can be frustrating and counterproductive to learning.